It begins with a fear she can't name and a search for someone who understands. But silence meets her first, not care, not hope, until someone or something says, "We're here, you matter." Before she walks in, her story has already arrived. The doctor doesn't meet a file, he meets her, with context, with clarity. No running in circles, no calls, no repeats, just answers, fast. She knows the numbers now, and for once, they don't scare her. Even after goodbye, someone's still watching over her. And when life gets loud, care remembers her, gently, quietly. What was once a maze of gaps is now a thread of connection, strong and human. Helixbeat, because in healthcare, every step is a lifeline.